Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I received a question. Someone asked how to transfer mobile network. For example, if you want to transfer from Leica to O2, you need to first of all get your pack code from your current provider. So if you have like Leica Mobile, for instance, basically you need to get your pack code from that provider before changing to another provider. So what I want to do now is to show you how to transfer your network from Leica to O2, for instance. So what you need to do is you need to go to your search bar, go to google.com, type transfer to O2, transfer. From the search bar, type transfer to O2, then select enter. How to keep your mobile number, you select this, for instance, or transfer your current number to O2 help and support. So if you select this, then you give you information, things you need to be aware of. So if you are switching to O2 from another network, you want to keep your mobile number, you will need to ask your old network for a pack porting authorization code. You can also get your pack by testing pack to 65075 from your number you want to keep and follow the simple step. You will get your pack within 60 seconds, or you can contact your current provider. The next thing you need to do is you can fill the form online. I want us to go and look for the form. There is a form we need to fill. So this is the form you need to transfer your current mobile number. Select on it. Then you fill this form. When to use this form to transfer your current mobile number to your new O2 connection. If you are joining O2 pay monthly or pay as you go from another network, moving from O2 as a pay as you go to O2 pay monthly, don't use this form, but pop into O2 store. Get in touch if you are moving from O2 pay monthly to O2 pay as you go, canceling your old number using STAG, an O2 business customer. If you are replacing your SIM without moving your number to O2. So basically you need to fill this form. And another thing you need to do is you need to first of all get O2 SIM card. You need to have O2 SIM card for you to be able to transfer to network. So first of all, things you need to do is about yourself. So you need to type your name. So you need to fill this form. Then type your surname, then email address, your mobile number, which is your current O2 mobile number, is what you need to put here. Now, the next thing you need to do is the number you want to keep. Tell us about the number you want to transfer. I'm joining O2 from another network. Then you type the number, or I'm switching from O2 pay as you go to pay monthly. So first of all, you select the first option, then type number to be transferred. Then the next thing you need to do is you put your pack. Type in your pack. Once you test pack to 65075, it will give you this pack that I'm typing now. Then you then the number you want to change to. When transferring your number to O2, we will give you a temporary number to begin with, which we will replace with the number you want to keep. Then you select this number is on pay as you go. Then you select number to change. Please enter this temporary number below. So the temporary number you want to change, then you put O2 number, then select security check. We just need to check it is you. Please enter last 2 digits of your bank code. Your sort code usually appear on the debit card. This needs to be the account you are using to pay your O2 bill. Your sort code usually appear on your debit card or bank statement, so you just need to put it here. Then the next you need to do is select continue. Thank you. We are processing your request. If all the details are correct, we will switch your number within 1 working days, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., excluding bank holiday. Be switched within 2 working days if we receive your request after 5 p.m. If you make a request at the weekend, you will be switched on the following Tuesday. If there is a problem with your request, we will contact you by SMS. Change your mind about transferring your number, get in touch. So this is something that I thought to share with you, how to transfer to O2 from a different provider. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.